Google is pushing Apple to adopt a new kind of text messaging, criticizes green bubbles. RCS stands for Rich Communication Services, a communication protocol between mobile service providers and between phones and service providers, intended to replace private messages. SMS messages using a richer text messaging system that provides contact queries and information transfer capabilities. Multimedia calling. It is part of the broader IP multimedia subsystem. Today, Google is launching a new advertising campaign to pressure Apple to adopt RCS, the cross-platform messaging protocol that is supposed to inherit the old SMS and MMS standards. The search giant has a new Get the Message website that makes a familiar series of arguments about why Apple should support the standard, around smoother messaging between iPhone devices and Android. Of course, there's also a hashtag #Get the Message to really capture those viral inspirations. To most people, the issues most familiar to Google describe are the green bubbles that are meant to notify Android users in Apple's Messages app. While the iPhone app uses Apple's own iMessage service to send text messages between iPhones with modern features like encryption, support for group chats, high-quality photo and video transfer, they revert to old-fashioned SMS and MMS when texting an Android user. Not only are these messages displayed in a green bubble with contrasting colors, but they also disrupt many of the modern messaging features that people rely on. A message should not benefit from bullying. Texting should bring us together, and the solution exists. Let's fix this as one industry. To remedy this, Google dropped a series of not-so-subtle hints in recent months for Apple to support RCS, providing most but not all of the message's functionality in a possible protocol. Can be used on both iOS and Android. The company said it expects every mobile operating system will migrate to RCS on stage at its annual developer conference this year, as well as in various tweets over the months. The iPhone maker has everything to gain from the current situation, which is the effect of deterring customers. It provides seamless communication but only between iMessage users and turns Android's green bubble into a subtle class marker. That's why Apple executives have admitted in internal emails that integrating iMessage with Android will harm Apple more than it will help us. Google's case for RCS was not helped by the slow and patchy implementation of the standard, which initially depended on service providers to add support. But the situation has improved since Google's effective takeover in 2019, meaning RCS is now available almost anywhere in the world. This year even saw the world's largest Android manufacturer, Samsung, switch to default using Google's own RCS-enabled Messages app in its flagship Galaxy S22 lineup. RCS is also gradually becoming on par with iMessage encryption. It currently supports end-to-end encryption E2EE in 1-1 chats and E2EE in group chats scheduled for later this year. So, is Google's new ad campaign finally what makes Apple see the light and roll out RCS support to its phones? Given Apple's big incentives to not play ball, I have to say the search giant's chances don't look good. At this point, Apple adopting RCS seems like the US to abandon generic iMessage and switch to an encrypted cross-platform messaging service like WhatsApp or Signal. Found this video interesting? Please subscribe to Scander channel on YouTube for more exclusive video content updates. This article has been edited from its original version. Author discretion is advised. Please subscribe to Scander channel for any discretionary inquiries. Our email is scanderloud@gmail.com. Thank you for watching our videos.